Hello everyone, my name is Emmanuel Mirus Ponon. You can call me Mirus, I'm 19, and I'm currently the founder and executive director of the ASEAN Youth Advocates Network. Basically, the ASEAN Youth Advocates Network, or AYAN, established last year after a successful stint just primarily being based here in the Philippines, is now an organization that is present in the 7 Southeast Asian countries that aims to educate, to advocate, to inspire, or for basically us, the youth, to experience socio-civic involvement through advocacy-based initiatives. What is an advocate? An advocate is someone that changes what is to what should be. And for us to make our world a better place, as the leaders of today and tomorrow, MIL is essential. It's an essential soft skill, especially in this time of pandemic, where we are now accelerating and being dependent on this new digital age, where we want to grow and develop into the best individuals and advocates that we can be. We have not actually put on emphasis or specified much MIL focused initiatives, but it's something that we want to be a lifestyle, which means this 2021 we will be having more MIL related projects, and that is through the help of course the AIJC, of course, for us to collaborate, as we have actually something special in store for you this year. So stay tuned, because we have a lot of MIL related initiatives. Thank you so much for inviting me to be here. This is Mirus Ponon, once again, founder and executive director of the ASEAN Youth Advocates Network.